Hello everyone, hopes all of you are fine and welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we were discussing about different changes occurring with the age in our respiratory system. Now we will discuss about pulmonary function in response to exercise. Number one is maximum involuntary ventilation. Maximum voluntary ventilation, which reflects one's breathing ability, is reduced in the older person due to change in overflow dynamics and the changes in muscle strength. Second factor is that during exercise, older adults tend to breathe at high lung volumes to resist airway closure. That is, they breathe faster and shallower so that they are exchanging air above where they might experience airway closure. Next is clinical implications. Clinical implications include respiratory fatigue, aspiration pneumonia, delayed warning of altered respiratory function. The older adult is at increased risk for respiratory fatigue because of decreased muscle strength and increased work of breathing. They are at increased risk for aspiration pneumonia because of diminished cough reflex. They are at increased risk for delayed warning of altered respiratory function because of diminished responsiveness to hypoxia and hypercapnia. Any clinical situation that compromises adequate ventilation increases these risks. For example, bed rest and abdominal surgery or obesity. The elderly have a 5 to 10 fold increased risk of pneumonia as compared to younger adults and much more likely to die from this disease than their younger counterparts. It is essential that pulmonary function be monitored in older adults and that preventive strategies such as smoking cessation, exercise, and vaccinations should be liberally taken. Now we will discuss about changes with age functional. Number one warning is less adaptation to respiratory stressors, clearance is less, and vulnerability to pneumonia. That's all about pulmonary system. Now we have covered this pulmonary system in three lectures. Basically, first of all, we have discussed about process of respiration. Then we have discussed about three structural changes that were changes in chest wall, respiratory muscles, and lung parenchyma. And then we discussed about four volumes. In that four volumes, only expiratory reserve volume decreased with age, and residual volume increases with age. These are important points that I am telling you. Then there were four capacities, and vital capacity decreases with age, and functional residual capacity increases with age. That was all about our today's lecture.